This is the Heatware multifunction heat press from am.co.za. The full package has 9 amazing functions. In this mini-series, we have 3 videos that talk about these functions. This is the third and last video of the series, which talks about the mug and cup heat pressing. The procedure for mug and cup heat pressing is not the same as the other attachments that require you to replace either the top part of the heating element or the bottom part of the supporting structure, or both. For mugs and cups, a separate stand is provided. This is the lock stand, the handle of which is used to enlarge and shrink the center area in which the cup or mug will be placed. We have 2 heat element types for cylinder-shaped cups and mugs, one for the smaller cups and one for the bigger cups. Measure which is the most firm and that best fits your cup by hand before inserting it into the lock stand. Now place the heat element in between the curved area of the lock stand. If the cup has a handle, locate it between the gap of the heating element. Plug the cable into the main control unit. This wheel is to adjust how far or short the shank sticks out to increase or decrease the press pressure. In the case of a cone-shaped press heating element, after you place it into the lock stand, you need to tighten it onto the lock stand by placing these holes under the screws. This is to avoid it from slipping when pressing, because unlike cylinder-shaped objects, cone-shaped objects are more likely to pop out. So there you have it. Now you know how to use the lock stand for all kinds of cup and mug pressing. For the main unit that presses on flat surfaces, for the plate presses, hat press and shoe press, please check out our other 2 videos in this series on YouTube by searching for Achievement Matters videos. All our attachments for different functions, including the lock stand, are stocked as separate parts and can be purchased individually as well. At am.co.za, we not only store large amounts of heat presses, we also store plenty of spare parts like those attachments, control units and mechanical parts. Please call our sales on 060 600 6000 and ask for the Heatware multifunction heat press combo. Visit heatware.co.za for more information about our heat press and am.co.za for other machines we also sell. Thank you for watching.